Welcome to All Things AI. This week, we will present an explanation of emotional artificial intelligence. Let's begin.
We'll begin with a blog from the CEO of Scrivener Solutions, James Scrivener. Fear. The emotion to learn to love. Emotions can be classified into four basic constructs: happiness, sadness, anger, and fear, with each having gained new meaning throughout time. Fear has moved from the resulting emotion based on life-threatening encounters to new behaviors of emotions reflected in unexpected or different, innovative situations. Historically, fear has created a strategic paralysis mindset for those who are not ready for change. Remember the following examples: 1. Kodak. 2. Sears and Roebuck. 3. Blockbuster. 4. Nokia. 5. BlackBerry. Perhaps the greatest fear a company faces is not the threat of disruptive innovation, but knowing the consequences and still yet succumbing to creative destruction, being ready too late. In order to overcome fear, we must embrace our dynamic capabilities, and yes, we all have them, and resist the force of active inertia. In this way, fear is reduced and creativity is enhanced at each level. Even more so, by learning to love to embrace the opportunity to face our fear, we challenge our core rigidness and bring about the adaptive change that will improve our individual lives and collective hearts.
Artificial intelligence enhances emotional intelligence in several ways. Emotion recognition. AI analyzes facial expressions, vocal tones, and physiological signals to detect and interpret emotions using machine learning algorithms trained on extensive data. Sentiment analysis. AI examines text and speech to determine emotional tone and sentiment, enabling understanding of customer feedback, social media sentiment, and other forms of emotional expression. Emotional response generation. AI systems generate appropriate emotional responses based on detected emotions, enabling empathetic interactions with users, such as chatbots or virtual assistants. Personalized experiences. AI analyzes user data and preferences to deliver tailored experiences that cater to individual emotions and needs, such as recommendation systems suggesting content, products, or services based on emotional states. Emotional coaching and support. AI-powered applications provide emotional support, coaching, or therapy by offering advice, techniques, or interventions based on the user's emotional state, fostering stress management and improved emotional well-being. While AI enhances emotional intelligence, it cannot fully replicate the depth and complexity of human emotional experiences. AI lacks true emotional understanding and subjective experience. However, AI systems offer valuable insights and assistance in interpreting and responding to emotions, complementing human emotional intelligence in various domains. In the past 2 decades, there has been a revolution in healthcare simulation, driven by advancements in technology such as computational power, graphics, virtual reality, VR, and artificial intelligence. This has led to the development of low-cost and user-friendly VR technology and virtual patients, VPs. VPs are computer-based programs that simulate real-life clinical scenarios, allowing learners to practice healthcare skills, make diagnostic decisions, and conduct therapeutic interventions. VPs combine simulation technologies with VR, creating interactive 2D and 3D virtual worlds where learners can engage in face-to-face dialogues with AI-driven VPs. Research has shown that VR and VPs have added value to education and clinical practice in various settings. VPs have evolved beyond being mere props in a virtual world and can now interact verbally and non-verbally with users. The most advanced VPs can engage in rich conversations, recognize nonverbal cues, and consider social and emotional factors, approaching a lifelike experience. Learners interact with patient avatars in ways that mimic real and standardized patients, providing a safe environment for practicing clinical skills before working with actual patients. VPs have been shown to effectively facilitate the acquisition of core knowledge in psychiatry and help develop skills in history-taking, interviewing, clinical reasoning, decision-making, and assessing suicide risk. Given the prevalence of psychiatric issues and the shortage of mental health professionals, VPs can play a valuable role in exposing learners to these clinical problems. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Visit scrivenersolutions.com for additional information.